Hey guys, and welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So, how do you get the Ghoul race? Version 2 and version 3, and especially Ghoul mask. So, talk to El Perro on the cursed ship in the second sea to buy Ghoul mask, basically. So, equip from your inventory. You can wear accessories to get the effects by equipping this item. So, you get 10% life leech on melee attacks against, players, 2.5% life leech against NPCs, plus 35% movement speed, basically. So, extremely good for raids when paired with Ghoul V4 and Buddha V4 due to its high health generation and damage reduction. Okay, so those are the perks in this game, and that's how you essentially get it, making the players essentially immortal. So, that's just it for this short summarization. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.